What is up, guys? It's Taki on Cosplay here. So welcome to the haul video. This is like part one. For this one, part one, I'm going to show you all the stuff I bought from Japan for the very first time ever. I went to Japan. It was great. I bought really good stuff actually that you don't see often, and plus you've never seen before. And there's some cool stuff that I bought. I want to show you guys that is really good. My first time ever, I went to Japan. I'd never ever been. My first experience was amazing. I was just overwhelmed a lot of things, and I was just blown away. I was lost for words with a lot of things, which is really crazy. So yeah, I can't wait to show you the stuff that what I bought. It was so good. You're gonna be so surprised. Some pieces that I picked up. It was so interesting, and I can't wait to show you guys. So you'll see all my stuff that I bought from Japan. So as you can see, guys, this is like my haul stuff that I bought from Japan. So this is really cool that I bought so many good stuff. I'm quite happy of. So I don't know where to start off actually. So this is it's crazy. So I'll start one at the top of the corner. So the top corner I bought is the Gundam model kit. This model kit is really good actually. I saw this model kit was sitting on display. It was just it was so nice actually. It was sitting on display case before I was about to purchase it, or before I was thinking of buying it. And then as soon as I seen on display, and I was like, you know what, I'm beginning to actually like that. I decided to pick up that. So that was really cool. I got it for 4,760 yen, I believe. So that's how much it cost. And then other model kits I bought was this one. This is the newest one. This one's from the Gundam Seed Freedom. So for the movie coming out soon, which I haven't seen yet, which is a shame, unfortunate. I wish I could watch it because I didn't realize that it would release that time. So this one is called Moral Justice Gundam. So this is the new one from the movie. So I got this one for $2,760 as well. No, not $60. 2,760 yen. Sorry, just because of the money is still different compared to Hong Kong. The money of like yen and dollars. So I got this one I got this t-shirt as well. The Gundam t-shirt is really nice actually. So there's Freedom and there's the other ones as well, but I like this one though. So I like the Justice one though. It looks really cool. I can't remember how much I bought it for. So it's just I had to pick this up, I mean, so which is really cool. So yeah, these model kits and the t-shirt, I got those what's it called, Gundam Base shop. But the reason why I only got these two because all the products of Gundams and stuff that I was looking for, most of them are all gone and sold out. It was just so ridiculous. I was just shocked that it was out of stock, a lot of things, and it was just all the shelves, most of the shelves were empty. It was so stupid. And it's just because a lot of people are so obsessed with Gundam. So like, things happen, I mean, when you go to the shops and when you buy model kits, and then once the model kits are gone, they're gone for good. I mean, so I don't know if they're going to restock it. So yeah, I managed to pick them up anyway. So there's only the best ones I can think of. Oh, not think of. There's only the best ones that were sitting on display. So I might as well just, pick them up. I mean, so this one, I picked this model kit as well. I got it from Kotobukiya, actually, so from Akihabara. This is the model kit of Nier Automata. This is like a 2 characters set with 2B and 9S. So I had to get this one actually because I checked the side of the box of it, and it was really good actually, the characters for the model kit. So I was like, you know what, I may as well pick this up actually. So it's not as bad actually. So I had to pick that up. And then I bought booster packs, random ones. So this is My Hero Academia, like the characters ones. You might have seen it in the past. So this one's completely different. So you get 2 character cards. You get 2 cards and one of the sweeties, like randomly, which I don't eat. So you get that with it as well. So I can't wait to crack them open. So I might make a video of that. I'm not too sure. This one, maybe I'll make a video of that one. Not too sure. This is like a different trading card game. So this is like, what's it called, Union Arena. It's basically a different trading card game mixed with a few different animes. For example, Blue Lock, Code Geass, My Hero Academia. They've got one for Haiku. They've got one for Naruto, I believe, and stuff. I'm not too sure. So they got some other ones and mix. It's like Y Swords, kind of. You know what I mean? So it's kind of weird and strange, I would say. So, but I bought these random packs to see what it looked like. So I might make a video of this, actually, to be honest. I might make a video of that just to see my first experience. So this one, I bought the two different figures. This one, the Demon Slayer, I picked that one up from the Mandarake, I think it's called. Mandarake is like a second-hand store, you know what I mean? So like, it's like bring and buy, you know what I mean? Like it's in sell and restock and resell again. So it's kind of like bring and buy sale kind of. So like I bought this for 1,000 yen, so it was like under £10 actually. It was so cheap, so I had to get that actually. It's sealed anyway, so it was a good score actually. So I had to pick this up. This one, I picked this up from the Ami shop as well. So this Seto Kaiba, I got this for 1,000 yen as well. So I'm real happy I had to get this one because I seen it in the pictures and videos like of this one, this character, and I do want that so badly. As soon as I seen it in the shelf, I was like, oh, I want it. It looks so good. You know what I mean? I love Seto Kaiba. I really like Seto Kaiba. Then next one we've got is this one here. We got Hawks from My Hero Academia figure. This is like the total different figure. I'd never ever seen this one before. This is really cool. I seen one for Todoroki, Bakugo, and Endeavor, and I saw this Hawks. I think I began to like the Hawks version of it, so I decided to pick this up as well. This one cost 1,300 yen, so that was a little bit expensive than I thought. But I mean, so I had to pick this up anyway. So because it looks, the figure design, it looks cool actually, and even the back of the box of it. So it's brand new. So if you wonder where I got this, I got this from the what's it called? What's it called again? I'm trying to remember. I totally lost. I totally lost. I'm sure I got it somewhere. I mean, so I'll try and remember it hopefully. And then we got this. We got this one as well. The Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game book. It was like a volume book of all the other cards, like from the sets of Dawn of Majesty, Cyberstorm Access, Photon Hypernova, and all the Darkline Blast as well. So that's the set from that. So I had to get this one though. So that was interesting, and I bought a cosplay magazine as well from one of the bookstores, which is really cool. So I'm happy I got this one. This one I got it for free from the Tamashii Nations, so which is really cool. I got this one is a jigsaw puzzle of Kingdom Hearts, a mystery box of the the Pokemon figures as well. So, and then we got stickers as well, random one. It's like the Toga and there's like Toge and Magi. So, and then we got keychains of My Hero Academia, the badge of Spy X Family, and then we got the keychain of the My Dress Up Darling. My Dress Up Darling from the the character is Marine Kichigawa. So that was really cool. I got random packs of that. I'm going to keep them sealed. So these are the packs I'm really interested to keep as well. A poster of Haiku. I mean, so I can't remember which Haiku poster I picked up. There were two different ones. The one for I can't remember. There was two different versions of it. So like two different groups of it. So because they were promoting for the movie. So I think that's what it's all about. Yeah. And we got random cards. I bought it for it as well. So they're really cheap. So they're like 100. It was 150, 100 yen. And then we bought some really cheap ones as well. Cheap ones definitely. This one I bought it for 100. Was it $1,010? No, not was it 1,100 yen. So it was like under £10, I believe. It's an ultra rare of the Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon. And then we got the acrylic stand. So this one's acrylic stand of Ruby, Chainsaw Man, Persona 5, Seto Kaiba from Yu-Gi-Oh! This one's like a mystery packet of it. I think it's acrylic stand. Or for Haiku, I mean, sorry. Acrylic stand for Final Fantasy 7. We got My Hero Academia, Juro. I actually like this one though. I was about to get Denki, but then I saw Juro actually next to it, so I decided to get Juro. And then we got the acrylic stand for was it Jujutsu Kaisen as well. These ones like a mini frame characters as well, so the mystery packs of them. I got Jujutsu Kaisen and I got the Haiku. I can't wait to open them in my own time and see what it looks like. Got a Yu-Gi-Oh! I got the mystery pack of the Yu-Gi-Oh! Badge, so I got the Yu-Gi one. And then we got the capsules as well. We got the random funny capsules. I got this one, that was like the very lucky one I picked up, so it was like 2B and IS together. This one's like One Piece, but it's just like a different character I don't know. This one is like a funny chibi ones. I've got the television version of it, of the chibi versions of the keychain for the capsules. And I got mystery box of Final Fantasy as well. These rubber strap things, the keychains thingies. So I got them from Kotobukiya. Happy with those because I can't wait to crack them open, see what I get. I got another capsule as well from I got Chainsaw Man one. Got the the acrylic stand for the Haiku as well. And then I got I was on the card game shops and I got like a random pile pack of these cards for 455 yen for this set. So I can't wait to open and see what it looks like, see what I end up getting. So it's going to be a very interesting to to open, see what I end up getting, see what cards I end up getting. So next we got this full-on Pokemon stuff. This is all the Pokemon stuff I got from Pokemon Center, from the Ikebukuro Sunshine City. So I'm happy I got these stuff. I mean, so I wish I spent more, but I think I've done good actually. So I'm going to start with the plushies. The plushies I got was I got this keychain Pikachu as well. I think that was quite cute. I actually like that one. And then these ones I got is Pokemon Fit plush, because I guys that I love Pokemon Fit plush because they're really, I like the size and I like the design of it. So so I picked up the really good ones. There's some of the ones that are sold out and they don't have, which is unfortunate, but at least I've picked up these ones. These ones are nice. So I got a Wailmer, Growlithe, Vibra. I got the Swablu, Wooper, Ho-Oh as well. So these ones are really cool. So I had to pick them up as well because I actually quite like them, to be honest. So, and then we got the dices as well. Got this Pokemon TCG dice. I feel like these dices are really cool. This design, so I went for that. The sleeves, as I had to go for the sleeves of Magnemite, Magneton, and Magmazone version of it. So because I love these kind of Pokemon, so I had to get those for my personal collection. Stickers, I bought these stickers as well, so because I had to get them just for fun. So I got Magnemite, Magneton. You got the 3 starter Pokemons there. Got Squirtle. Got the EV evolutions of them. Got a Turtwig as well, and then I got these random stickers from the Pokemon Center as well, which is really weird. And I got the keychain of the Iono, which is really nice. I found that was really cute. I had to get that because I love Iono character from the Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. I got this deck box from that shop as well included. This deck box is from the World Championships 2023. So I had to get this one because I do like the products of the World Championships 2023 because I actually really like those. So because I had to pick one of them up. I wish I picked up a playmat, but the playmat's a little bit expensive. But this deck box, it should be alright. These ones I'm happy I've got is socks, the Pokemon socks actually. So I got 3 for like 1,200 yen. So which is really cool. It's not as bad actually. So any free socks for that deal actually. For a single on its own, just buying one sock only, I think it's like 700 yen. So which is okay. I mean, I actually bought these a good deal actually because I do love these kind of socks. They're really cute, and I actually like them. They're definitely worth buying. So yeah, that's all the stuff of all the stuff I got from the the Japan and stuff. So it's really cool. I'm quite happy with the stuff I bought from Japan. It's just because it was my first time when I was in Japan, when I spent so much stuff on these kind of stuff. I mean, I wish I could buy more, but it's just the fact that it was my first time experience, so like I learned a lot. I mean, so I'm quite happy with the stuff I bought. So it's just so cool actually. So oh yeah, I think I remember where I got this one now, I think, and then this one as well, like some other bits from Haiku and Jujutsu Kaisen. I got it from, what's it called, Tokyo Base Yard, I believe. I think that's what it's called, from one of the shops I was passing by it when I was there. From the, was it Shibuya? I think it's called Tokyo Base Yard, I think that's what it's called. I could be wrong, I mean, so this is, you'll probably see it on the video vlog, you know, because I did do video vlogs when I was there, so you'll probably see the whole thing from it, of my experience going to every, well, the shops I went to. So you'll always see those anyway, so definitely for sure. So all the stuff I bought, I have no regrets, but it's just the fact that I'm just so overwhelmed, and I didn't expect all this amount of stuff that I bought. Like, good thing I never had that many was it stuff I brung with me to Japan with my luggage. Like, I had in my luggage it was like half empty, so because I knew I'm going to spend so much stuff for this set, all this species, you know what I mean? So I have no regrets at all. I mean, all this stuff is just fantastic, you know what I mean? So, and I can't wait to open the model kits as well, to build them all on my own. So, and then I'm going to make a videos for this one. I'm going to try and make a video of that one, definitely for sure. This one as well for Seto Kaiba, definitely. These packs there, definitely making a video of that as well. I think that's pretty much it actually. So, but yeah, I have no regrets actually. So yeah, I'm quite happy with all this stuff. You know what I mean? So I wish I could spend more, but this is all. This is how much I spent on. This is the best I can spend on. So yeah, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video of like me showing you all the haul stuff from the like all the stuff that I got from Japan. That was crazy. So. Would I go to Japan again? Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's been great ever since after that. I don't know when I'll go to Japan in the future. I don't know. It's hard to say. It's just the fact that it's my first time experience, and I thought it's good. I think for myself it's going to be a one-off, like for going to Japan, and it's my once in a lifetime, I'd say maybe. But future-wise, I don't know if when I'll go to Japan. I mean, so for sure, like somewhere along the way I will go to Japan, but if I do go, it will take me a while to save up money and stuff and all, and plan ahead. And I mean, so because there's so much things I've not seen yet, and there's so many places I haven't been yet. I mean, so because I was there for 5 days, so but I went to most of the places I can go to for the past 5 days. So, but you will see the videos on the Japan and Hong Kong videos as well. So you'll definitely see those 2 video vlogs there from my experiences. So it's been great. So so it was super tiring, but I actually really enjoyed it. So, but yeah, I better end this video today. So you will see part 2 of my Hong Kong haul as well. So you'll see that. So anyway, guys, I'll see you guys next time. See yous.